Welcome to this video, which is part of a series on an introduction to functional programming using Scheme. The presentations were created by Professor Mark Kovatsa at the University of Greenwich, and there is extra material provided by Dr. Yasmin Arafa, Professor Cornelia Boldareff and Dr. Ralph Bartel. My name's Andy Wicks, and any errors in this video are mine and all mine. So let's get going. Welcome to this, the second video on using functional programming in Python. Here we're going to look at lambda functions, a basic concept in functional programming. But the interesting thing is that you can use them in Python as well. There is an import package for functional programming tools called functools. But we're going to be looking at lambda functions here. So let's have a look at the first use of a functional programming technique in Python. We're going to define a new variable called newAdd. And we're going to make it equal to a lambda function that takes two parameters, a and b. And all it does is add a to b. You'll notice that a lambda function is a function that works just on one line. There are no several steps to a lambda function. It just is what it is. Having defined that new variable, we can now use it. So we can print newAdd 3 and 5. But how does that compare to something that we'd write in Python? Well, this is the same as defining a function, let's call it old_add, the way we used to do it before we knew about functional programming. And this function takes two parameters, a and b, and it returns a plus b. And then we print old_add 3 and 5. Now when I run this, I get exactly the same answer for both. As you can see, I've got 8 in both cases. But the functional programming version is rather neater. It's all together. It's all in one place. And that's why we use functional programming in Python.